Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this one we'll talk about Markdown and why you should care about learning Markdown. Let me give you some motivation about this. So Markdown today is everywhere, and what is the strength of Markdown is what is the strength of Markdown is basically you can work on every platform. You can master it under 1 hour, and it is basically just one language, and that's really the strength of Markdown, and it's basically used everywhere from like GitHub for documentation, and basically also LLMs. So most of the time, LLM are trained using Markdown. The output are Markdown. It's basically the language of LLMs, and any kind of blogs and article that you see out there in the internet is written in Markdown, and it supports a lot of cool things that can be used in research. So you can write subsection section in it. You can have like LaTeX code and or the next thing like tables that you can directly insert inside your Markdown. So now I will give you some nice feature about Markdown that I hope will show you the way and will want you to directly use Markdown. So the first one is the fact that basically uh, you can write once and your node can be exported to any kind of format. It can be exported to Word, to PDF, to PowerPoint, to HTML, or to LaTeX. And basically, there is a lot of library that can do this and software, but the most common one is Pandoc. So you just write this note one time, and you can have like multiple versions that you can share and edit as you wish. And one of the advantages of Markdown is the following. So um, I'm sure you know this when you're working with LaTeX or Word. There is sometimes when you want to write, there is friction. You're trying to do some kind of formatting, and it's not working, and then you try like to get upset, and then you redo, try to learn, and there is a lot of friction, and you cannot focus both on writing and also on the content of the writing. So you lose a lot of time, and it is basically the promise of Markdown is you can like decrease and delete this friction and just go and focus on the writing. So now let me show you the basic syntax of Markdown. So this is the basic syntax for headings and subsection. So just hashtag. Hashtag 1 is for level 1 headings and so on. We have bold and italics. Bold is two asterisks. Italics is 1. We have bold and italics. We have strike. We can also have list and ordered list. So unordered lists are just with the dash, and ordered lists are with numbers. And they will be shown like this. We can have links with this notation. So basically, we have like a square bracket with parentheses with inside the link, the link, and that's basically it. We can also have images with exclamation point, a square bracket, and followed by the link. It can be a URL or an image that is present inside your PC directly with the link. We can have code block inside. So basically, with the end line, which just one backstick inside, you have like a highlighted code like this, or a full block. We also have a table. So table are written this way, and most of the framework that use Markdown inside it, you can have like easy snippets to use it. And you can also have footnotes inside it to refer later on, and with footnotes are written this way. And now let's talk about the ecosystem that is very nice with Markdown. So basically, the academic workflow that I suggest for Markdown is the following. So to research and discover, you want to use Obsidian, Zero, and Logsec. So Obsidian and Logsec are basically writing tool to write Markdown, and they provide a lot of interesting Markdown extension, because in those kind of platform you only write in Markdown, and Zotero allow you to write inside Markdown with the PDF annotations. For more analysis and computation skill, you can directly use Markdown and have some kind of repo that is meant to be executed later with Markdown, Jupyter, or Observable. And if you want to publish this, basically what you do is you cover this using Pandoc, and you can also distribute this using GitHub. And as I mentioned earlier, Pandoc allows you to convert your Markdown file into Word, PDF, and so on, even PowerPoint. I made a video about this, and you will see the video somewhere around the screen. So that's it for the video, and I will now let you with two videos that are related to Markdown. So you can, from Markdown, convert a simple Markdown node to a PowerPoint, and you can also, I did another video which is converting a Markdown to a Jupyter notebook. So see you guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.